Want to show dynamic labeling directly in your Excel chart? For example, if we update the data, the chart title reflects that change. Let me show you a quick trick using a formula and a chart title, and it's fully dynamic. Here's a list of monthly revenues. Now, in an empty cell, let's enter a text formatting formula. Here is the formula I will be using so that you can follow along. I will start by saying, total revenue is, and the text and sum of revenue in the table. And finally, I will use the number formatting. Next, let's insert a text box and link it to this formula cell so that the title label updates automatically. Here you have it. We can increase the data and look. The chart title reflects those changes. That's part 24 of our 500 plus Excel tips playlist. If you find it useful, go ahead and subscribe for more quick Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.